Section A, easy. Let's start. Problem is, if the difference between the area of the regular hexagonal plot and area of the circular swimming tank circumscribed in it is 26.705 square meters, find the radius of the circular swimming tank. See here, firstly understand the problem. See, this is a hexagon and this is a circle. In this, firstly the problem should have been inscribed in it, because what is inscribed and what is circumscribed? When the circle touches the vertices, it is called as circumscribed. When it touches the sides, it is known as inscribed. So the word should be inscribed. Okay, let's move on. See here, what is given? The area of this darker portion is given, and we want the radius of this circle. Okay, for that what we'll do is area of the shaded portion is what? 26.705. Okay, so area of the hexagon is what? See here, remember the two formulae. Area of hexagon is 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square, and height of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side. See, these two formulas would be useful for you. The hexagon is formed with what? 6 equilateral triangles. So these are 6 equilateral triangles, right? Now what is the height of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into side. Now this hexagon is formed with 6 equilateral triangles, right? So height of the triangle is what? But see this, radius of the circle. How? See this, look at this figure neatly. Height of this triangle is radius of this circle. So what we get? R equals to root 3 by 2 into side, right? So S equals to side of the triangle is what? 2R upon root 3, right? Okay. So area of hexagon is what? 3 root 3 by 2 into side square, right? But what is side? We have just now got it, 2R upon root 3. So input the values. So what you get? What all gets cancelled? Just check that, and you get 2 root 3 into R square. That is 2 into 1.73 into R square. Now 3.46 into R square, right? So area of hexagon is what? 3.46 into R square. Okay. Now area of circle is what? Pi R square, right? So that is pi R square, 3.14 into R square. Now you want the difference, area of hexagon minus area of circle, right? So 3.46 into R square minus 3.14 into R square, it becomes 0.32 into R square. Now what is this? This difference means what? This difference means this darker portion, but that is already given, right? So 0.32 R square equals to 26.705. R square equals to this division. Okay, so remove the points and you will get 2670.5 upon 32. Divide this, you will get 83.45. Now divide this. Saying is simple, but dividing is difficult. You have to try it yourself, right? So 83.45. Then R equals to square root of 83.45, 9.1. Now how to do this in exam? Here, I'll tell you a simple trick. Dividing this is difficult, but 26 upon 3, first to first, that is easy, 8 something, and then square 8 and this 83, somewhere you will get this 83, by divide 267 upon 3 you will get 83, right? So R square 83, R equals to 9 point something. Now check the answer which is nearer to 9 in the exam. If there are 2 to 3, then you will have to do it exactly. But if there is only one answer which is near to 9 and others are way beyond that, then you can definitely, instead of doing all this full division, you can try first with first, then take the square root, and you can get the answers, right? Next, a steel wire when bent in form of a square encloses an area 121 square centimeter. If the same wire is bent in form of circle,